In this video, we'll show you how to turn product photos with mannequins into ones featuring AI models. As you can see, we open the selected photo in Magic Expand mode. Then, we use the eraser to brush over the mannequin's face, marking the area where the AI model's face will be generated. Here, it's important not to brush too much over the product. To allow the face to appear slightly larger, we brush a wider area, as you can see. Now, to bring the photo closer, we drag the corners and position it on the screen the way we want. Next, we'll write our prompt in the Enter Prompt section. Since the photo is a close-up, it's important to tell the AI that it's a close-up shot. As seen in the image, the product is shown in profile, so to display the hat properly, the generated face should also be in profile. After that, we describe the model's physical features in detail. Yes, our output is ready. This is a draft image generated by the AI to assist us in the following steps. We can edit this image however we want. Since we like the face of the AI model, we brush over it again. But this time, we expand the brushed area so that the face appears slightly larger. We paste the same prompt again and press Apply. Yes, in this new result, we notice a small change in the scarf, so we brush over that area. To make the AI model's lips appear closed, we also brush over the lips and add our instruction. We write a clear prompt for the scarf. Yes, as you can see, since we didn't specify a lip color, the AI generated a lip color that matches the image. If you're happy with the result, you can download it or continue for further adjustments.